This video we will continue with the same term, vaporization. So we know that vaporization is a process by which the liquid state of matter gets converted to its vapor state, and boiling and evaporation are the two different processes in which the vaporization takes place. So what is common between boiling and evaporation? In both the process, the liquid state of matter gets converted to its vapor state. Now let us discuss the difference between boiling and evaporation. So we know that evaporation takes place at all temperatures, that is below its boiling point, whereas boiling takes place at a particular temperature called as its boiling point. For example, if you consider water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure, right? At 1 atmospheric pressure, normal atmospheric pressure, water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Whereas water will evaporate at all temperatures. That is why the puddles of water dry after the rain after few days. So it takes place at all temperatures, even below the boiling point of a liquid. So evaporation takes place at all temperatures, whereas boiling takes place at a particular temperature called as its boiling point of the liquid, which will vary for a liquid to liquid. So if it is for water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure, but it is not the same temperature for all the liquids. It depends on the molecular force of attraction that exists between the molecules of that particular liquid. So boiling takes place at a particular temperature, right? Takes place at a particular temperature called as its boiling point, right? The second difference, if you consider the time taken, if you take 100 ml of water, it will just boil within few minutes, but the same 100 ml of water will take more time for more hours to dry, that is to evaporate. So we can say that evaporation is a slow process. It may take hours or days, whereas boiling takes place very easily, very fast, right? Since you supply heat and you boil it, so it is a fast process. So evaporation is a natural process, right? So it is a natural process which occurs due to the heat of the sun and the wind that is blowing. So it's a natural process. Whereas here we have to supply heat. So heat has to be supplied. Heat has to be supplied. So it is man-made. It is not natural. The next factor, if you consider, boiling takes place as a whole, that is, the whole liquid which is heated will undergo boiling. So it is a bulk phenomena. That is, the whole liquid will boil. That is why you see bubbles. When a liquid boils, it will indicate by the appearance of bubbles. When liquid boils, you can see the bubbles coming out. So it is a bulk phenomena where the whole quantity of liquid kept in a container will boil. Whereas evaporation takes place only on the surface of the liquid, right? So it is a surface phenomena. Phenomenon is nothing but the process, right? And the next difference, the last difference, is the cooling effect. Boiling actually is supposed to supply heat. It is man-made. So it does not cause any cooling effect. Boiling does not cause any cooling effect. Does not cause any cooling effect. Whereas evaporation causes cooling effect. So for example, if you go to a doctor for vaccination or for injection, they will rub your hand with spirit, right? So as the spirit evaporates, it's easy volatile substance. So as it undergoes vaporization, it will take the heat from your body and you will feel chill. It is because evaporation takes place by absorbing the heat from the body. And so it causes a cooling effect on which the evaporation takes place. So evaporation causes cooling, whereas boiling does not cause any cooling effect. So these are the important difference between evaporation and boiling. So what is common between these two processes? In both these processes, liquid state of matter gets converted to its vapor state. So what are the difference? Evaporation takes place at all temperatures, whereas boiling takes place at a particular temperature called as its boiling point of the liquid. Evaporation is a slow process. It will take many hours or days depending on the quantity, whereas boiling takes place at a faster rate, right? So it is a fast process. Evaporation is a natural process, whereas boiling requires heating. So we have to supply heat. It is not a natural process. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. That is, only the surface liquid will evaporate. We will discuss about that in our next video in detail. Whereas boiling is a bulk phenomena. That is, the whole liquid will boil, and we can see the bubbles, which is an indication which will tell you that the whole liquid is involved in boiling. Evaporation causes cooling effect. That is, even in your case of sweat which evaporates from the body, as the sweating is actually a natural way of cooling your body after a heavy physical activity, right? So as the sweat evaporates, the body's temperature is maintained. It takes the heat from the body, and that is why you will feel a body temperature maintained. So evaporation causes cooling effect, whereas boiling, actually we are supposed to supply heat for boiling, so definitely it does not cause any cooling effect. So learn the differences which may be asked in detail. Hope you followed. Thank you.